Hey guys, it's your girl, Cutie Cycle, and I am back with another super dope video, guys. It has been a minute, guys. I don't know, man. I haven't been on camera for some time. I guess there is this time whereby you just get tired, drained. Ngathi ungangayiphakamisi nje at all camera, guys. I don't know, man. You just on your lazy era nje. So I guess I was on that phase as well, but now I am back like umqolo ke sana, guys. Ningake nilingenhleke t-shirt yam, guys. Live betunani. So guys, I'm gonna do a very short video unboxing yaseTemu, guys. I'm so addicted with him and so loyal sana I relationship yam neTemu. I wish be yam nomjolo ibinje. Loyalty sana over everything. So let us unbox. I'm not even sure what is in here, guys. Sometimes we buy these things, guys, and we forget, like really forget. I don't know what is in here. Let us find out what is in here, guys. I don't know whether it's only me or you also have noticed that Temu lately, like, I cycle as fast as it used to be. Like the delays, guys, the delays. I really don't remember when did I purchase this order, but I'm only receiving it now, today, and today the date is 31st of October, guys. But one thing I know, I've waited for this order. I've waited. I think I will share down below when did I order this order and then when did I receive it.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe.
Okay, guys, I'll start with this item. I'll start with this item. This is our first item, mainly because this is the only clothing item in this package. So this is the t-shirt. This it was written Asian, it was Asian sizes, so I size it up because Asian sizes are smaller than our sizes and UK sizes, I believe. So instead of buying small, I bought medium. So I don't know whether it's gonna fit me or there will be a problem.
You understand me? Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump, guys, and how to...
It's so beautiful. I love it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Yo, I love it, guys. I also love even the color, guys, because we are on summer right now. What do you mean we need to look dull? What do you mean we need to look like dimmed and stuff, guys? No. I love this t-shirt. If there is only one thing I love in this order, guys, it's this t-shirt. Clock it, guys. Woo, invite me, guys. Invite me. Just invite me, guys. Okay, guys, and then the second item is definitely this lunchbox, guys. I bought this lunchbox mainly because I want to use it for my breakfast and fruit, which will be muesli, and then this side it will be the fruit, so I think the size is fairly good. It is small, but it is okay. I can live with this, so I love it a lot, guys. It's a nice one, guys. Even the quality, when you are touching the quality, it is also good quality, guys. I thought it was those plastics that are softer, like in no time they will just melt and stuff, but no, this is not the case. So I love it. I'm happy with it. Then we go for the third item. This is our third item, guys. I hope it works, guys. I saw this, guys, for closing or sealing your plastics. For example, you know, guys, when you are using something and you don't use it all, maybe your chips, you just opened your chips but you don't really want to finish your chips, then you can just seal the chips, like you can just seal the plastic. And then maybe you bought cremora and you don't have maybe containers to put that cremora, like here, and then you just used it and you want to seal it, then you seal it, especially in case of maybe sometimes you want to keep it clean, guys. Abanye banama cockroaches, so you don't want a situation whereby uzothola uvizitelwe ngama cockroaches sana in your cremora and you have to throw all the bag just because ama cockroaches has already invaded privacy ye cremora yakho. So yeah, guys, this it is mainly for that. I hope it works, and then it is rechargeable, so I think you will use this and then you recharge it and then you start using it. So I hope it works, guys. I think you will see it on my videos in TikTok where I'm using it. So yeah, guys, this is the second item. And then I bought these bottles. They are 4, so you buy 2 per package. I bought them for my hair products, guys. I also added on my range the hair conditioner and shampoo. So yeah, these are the bottles. I will only open one because they are the very same thing, size and everything. This one is smaller and then this one is bigger. I think this is 250 ml and then this one is 500 ml. So this one will be shampoo and this one will be hair conditioner. So yeah, guys, kancane kancane nje. I hope, guys, you are supporting me in my business. My hair product, guys. Enza ama wololo, enza ama wonders gesana. Don't miss out. Ungaphoswa geli, ungaphoswa mntase. So these are the bottles. So I'm also happy with the color and I'm also happy with the size and everything. But those ones will be coming on the limited range because these ones are fairly expensive. So I think for other containers, for just a normal ones, I will order another bottles, ne? Yes. So let's move. This is our 4th item, guys. This one, it's a caterpillar, guys. This one, you use it to cut your fruits, your veggies. For example, if you want to cut the like the avocado, you want it to be sliced very nicely, very neat, then you use this, guys. Or you want to slice your onion, or you want to slice your carrot, your beetroot, you can name them, guys. You use this, guys. It's gonna make your thing to look cute and representable, guys. Presentation is everything, so I bought this mainly for that. And then this is our 5th item, guys. I bought these bottles from Qdisa hair growth oils, guys. I bought these ones and then they are off stock already. I'm back, guys. I've already opened it, guys. This is this package. Oh, okay. This one, it is for hair foods, guys. It is for hair foods. I was asking myself, what is in this box now? This one, it is for hair foods. This is the package for my hair foods.